What if a storm changed the course of history? The Great Blizzard of 1888, one of the most severe blizzards in U.S. history, struck from March 11th to 14th, 1888. It unleashed winds up to 80 miles per hour and dumped up to 50 inches of snow, paralyzing the northeastern United States. Trains were stranded and telegraph lines failed, leaving cities isolated. New York City was particularly hard hit, leading to over 400 deaths and significant property damage. This event prompted advancements in weather forecasting and emergency preparedness. The blizzard not only transformed winter travel, but also shaped the future relationship between nature and urban development, leaving a lasting legacy on American preparedness.